So now we're going to start our 7 candles. So requesting all the 7 candles to be ready, for you are about to offer a birthday candles for our birthday celebrant. And please prepare a short birthday message for Zoe Gale. But before that, let me share to you a short trivia about having a 7 candles offering on the 7th birthday. Candles help to send signals and prayers to God so that they could be answered more effectively. Each candle is used to represent a year past since birth. Blowing out the candles symbolizes the completion of the years. That is why we blow a candle on our birthdays. Again, as I call on the 7 candles' names, I want you to come over beside Zoe with a lighted candle and have a short message or wish to her. So, the 7 candles, Mr. Carl Jason Colimbo, John Ray Lancin, Leonard Mejares, John Palosig Jr., June Ellison Calva, John Gilbert Lancin, and Jaden Calva. Maglinya ka mo, maglinya dira sa ubos. John Carl Jason, John Ray, Leonard Mejares, John Ellison,
John Gilbert, and
Jaden.
Si John o si John Ellison magsunod. Si John Talos, si John Ellison, John Gilbert, din Jaden. Jaden, atras Jaden. Atras Jaden. 1 meter distance.
It's okay, no need na.
1 meter distance. Makapasok kami.
But before offering a candle, so dapat musadyaw anay ka mo. Sadyawan anay ni Jong ato celebrant. Candle, dapat maghatag ka mo ng issue messages ho or wishes.
Si Zoe ang mag-blow ha.
So si Zoe ang mag-blow. Start kita kay Carl.
Comment sa message, idohoy, blow.
Happy birthday Zoe. I wish na magbinot anay na ka. Dili na nga mag-ilak-ilak kay napatay yung isda.
English ko no! Hoy, English ko no, English dapat. na, sige na. Next.
Si Zoe mag-translate. Bakit Zoe yung translate?
Thank you for everything you wish for.
Sige na.
You translate.
Sige na.
Kuya Jesus. You translate it.
She forgot what he says.
Yes, sabda kasabot sa istorya ni Jason.
I don't cry when my fish is dead.
Okay. Diri ka son. Diri ka.
Dili, para balik na mag-guess. May magsasaw ka
Happy birthday, Zoe. I wish that you will be
Ipakibugay
a
na
good
kamay.
girl every day.
Wow! Loksan! Dali, dali, dali.
Happy birthday, Zoe girl. Dili na mo mag-away-away ni Jaden.
Happy birthday to me. Di na kami mga away-away ni Jaden. Happy birthday to me. I won't fight with Jaden again.
Sige na, Pao! Nagpaw na rin. Dali, shit. Dali na siya.
A very good health always, and God bless.
Let's take quesadilla.
Happy birthday, Zoe girl.
Survive!
Happy birthday, Zoe.
Survive!
Attitude ka, boy. So now, mag-take ka mo ng picture sa ato ko ay celebrant. Tanan ka mo.
Try ka mag-picture ako.
Wow, you want to get the camera? Y'all too. Y'all want to get the camera too. Get on in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. One more. Walk it. Come on, walk it.